Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix verification failed or this Apple ID is not active on your iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing this type of a message on your screen that your Apple ID is not active or verification failed, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So now to fix that, you just have to go back from here. And here you have to check your network connection first. So go for settings here and you have to check that you are connected to any Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back and here go for general section and you have to go for a VPN device management. And you have to make sure that your device is not connected to any VPN. If you find any connected VPN here, try to disconnect with that, then go back from here, and here you just have to look for the option of software update, and you just have to try to make a software update on your iPhone or iPad. If you have any pending software update, try to update your software. Then go for this date and time option, and you have to make sure that you have enabled this toggle to set your date and time automatically. And after doing that, you have to go back and you have to make a force restart your iPhone. Not to do that, you have to quickly press and the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button, wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. Once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to check if your issue is fixed or not, or if it's still not fixed, so you have to go for your Apple Sport app. You can easily install it from your App Store or you can use Apple Sport Web. And here you have to select the iPhone option here. So select this iPhone here, and after that just look for the option of more, then select App Store, and from here you just have to wait for this loading. Then tap on get more help. Now tap on call us. After that, you'll find a phone number whenever you want to talk. You have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.